Hello guys, welcome back to Makaut Smashers. In today's video, we will dive into one of the most practical chapters, writing practices. Writing is an essential skill in both academic and professional life. We will begin with comprehension exercises which sharpen your understanding of written text. Then we will explore the precise writing techniques, helpful in summarizing long passages concisely. We will move on to the easy writing essentials, focusing on the structure and the clarity. After that, we will learn how to write business letters, cover letter, and CVs. Lastly, we will understand the format and tone of professional emails. This chapter will empower you to communicate clearly and effectively professionally. So stay tuned and let's enhance your writing skills together. At first, comprehension exercise. Comprehension refers to the ability to read, to understand, and interpret a written passage. In exams or workplace scenarios, you are often given a paragraph followed by a question. Okay. The key to answering them lies in careful reading, identifying the main idea, and locating supporting details. Skim the passage first for a general idea, then read more carefully. Focus on keywords in both passage and the questions. Try to answer in your own words rather than copying directly. Okay. Look out for tone, opinion, and implied meanings. So, comprehension test your analytical thinking and reading efficiency. Practicing regularly improves both vocabulary and reading speeds, which are valuable in technical and business communication. So now, precise writing techniques. A precise is a brief summary of a longer text, capturing its main ideas in fewer words. The goal is to write a condensed version without losing the original meaning. A good precise should be about one third of the original length. It should include the central idea, the essential facts, and the logical order, while avoiding the minor details and examples. Always write a precise in your own words and maintain a neutral tone. Avoid personal opinions or interpretations. Read the passage carefully, underline the key points, and prepare a rough draft before writing the final version. Precise writing improves your ability to understand and present the information concisely, an essential skill for engineers. Easy writing essentials. An easy is a structured form of writing that presents an idea, argument, or point of view. Every easy should have three parts: an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. The introduction states the topic and outlines what will be discussed. The body consists of paragraphs supporting your argument, each with a topic sentence and supporting evidence. The conclusion wraps up the main topics and gives a final opinion or suggestion. Use clear language, logical flow, and proper transitions between the paragraphs. Easy can be descriptive, narrative, argumentative, or analytical. Practice helps in organizing thoughts and improving the grammar and vocabulary. Remember to always proofread your easy before submission. So now, business communication. Business letters, cover letters, CVs. So, business communication must be formal, clear, and purpose driven. A business letter is used for official correspondence and follows a standard format: sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, salutation, body, closing, and signature. Okay. A cover letter accompanies your resume and highlights why you are suitable for a job. It should be short, about 3 paragraphs, and should match the tone of the job description. A CV, curriculum vitae, presents your qualification, So it represents qualification, academic background, skills, and achievements. Use bullet points, maintain a chronological order, keep formatting neat. Tailor your CV and cover letter for each application. Good business writing creates a positive impression and reflects a professionalism. Writing professional emails. Professional emails are used for workplace communication and should follow a specific tone and structure. Begin with a clear subject line that summarizes the purpose. Start with a formal salutation like Dear Sir or Dear Madam, followed by a brief introduction and main message. Use short paragraphs and maintain a profile, to the point tone. Avoid casual languages, emojis, and slang. Always proofread for grammaticals errors, grammar, spelling, punctuation errors. End with a closing such as regards, sincerely, followed by your name and contact information if necessary. So, an effective professional email reflects the clarity and efficiency which are crucial in corporate and you can say academic environment. So that brings us to the end of chapter 5, writing practices. So we explored the key writing techniques like comprehension, precise writing, eases, various professional communication formats. These are must-have skills for students, job seekers, and professional alike. By mastering them, you will be able to present your ideas more effectively. We hope you found this video informative and easy to follow. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Makaut CSE. Let us know your questions or suggestions in the comments and keep practicing, okay? Because good writing is a lifelong skill. So see you in the next video.